So in the next part, we'll discuss about this Keplers laws of planetary motion. So Kepler's laws of planetary motions are formulated to understand the basics of planetary motion around the sun, or we can use the same concept for observing the motion of satellite around the planet also. So when the first we'll discuss about this Kepler's first law. So it is also known as nothing but law of orbit. So up to now we discussed that this planet or satellite can revolve around a sun or a planet within a circular orbit, or it can be in elliptical orbit. Now if you are observing the planetary motions, so this Kepler's first law states that all the planets are move around the sun in an elliptical orbit with sun located at one of the focus. So if you are considering an elliptical path, something like this, so for an ellipse we can write some basic things related to an ellipse. Line, the largest line which we can draw over here is known as something but its major axis, and a line something like this we call it as something but a minor axis. And over here we'll be able to observe a focus, and here we'll get another focus. So this Kepler's first law states that when a planet is revolving around the sun, then it is going to move in an elliptical path in such a way that the sun is located at one of the focus. So it may be possible that this is the location of sun, and the planet is revolving around this. So this may be the location of sun, and planet is revolving around the sun in an elliptical path. So we can just consider that, let's say this is representing a planet, and this planet is moving in an elliptical path in such a way that sun is located at one of the focus. So we can say that this is the location of focus. So sun is located at any one of the focus, so it can be over here or it can be over here on this place. So once again, all the planets are move around the sun in an elliptical path in such a way that sun is located at one of the focus. So this we can take it as location of sun, and this we can take it as location of planet. Now just remember that when the planet is over here, then the distance between the sun and the planet is minimum. So the minimum distance between the sun and the planet is known as nothing but perigee. So this distance we call it as nothing but the minimum distance, or it is known as nothing but perigee. And same as like that, this if the planet is somewhere over here, then this is the maximum distance between the sun and the planet. So this we can take it as nothing but r max, and this maximum distance is also known as nothing but apogee. So the maximum distance, or it is also called it as nothing but apogee. So just remember about these basic things related to first law. That is, all the planets are revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit in such a way that sun is located at one of the focus.